whether it's in person, over the phone, or on the web, is to be honest and transparent. So that's what we wanted to do in this video, is talk to you about the one hard, difficult question that we get asked a lot. You may be wondering what that is, and that is, Brian, why are you so expensive? Man, I know I could give you 1,000 reasons of why I think we're the greatest, the baddest, and the most wonderful company around. And I truly believe that. But I know you're gonna say, well, you're the owner. I hope you believe it. So what I did right here in my own writing is go through a lot of what our customers are saying. And these are based off of reviews. These are what our men and women are telling us every day in the field that their customers are relaying back to us. So this is how I know and why maybe we might be a little bit more expensive, but I know we're worth it. The first one is we're prompt. We always get that. The second is professional. That's professional before, during, and after the projects. Hardworking. We know how tough this job is, whether you're in the office or on site. We have very hardworking people. Also, great communication. Once again, that's before, during, and post-production. We want to communicate to you. Also, the last one, and to me, one of the most important, we stand behind our work. 1 year, 2 year, we truly stand behind what we produce. And yes, we know we sometimes may be a little more expensive, but we believe some of these attributes are well worth that money. So if you have any questions or have any thoughts, feel free to email us or call us anytime.